This is Steve with American Ironworks. There's been a need in the industry for a type of restraint that can be installed on your Code 62 type flanges without breaking connection and draining out all of your hydraulic fluid. We build the cable choker like this here that has the loop on each end. It works very well, but you do have to break connection to install it because it has the loop on each end. So what we've came up with is a removable style cable choker like this here. It'll just be open on this end here. We're going to do a demonstration this morning and show how to properly install this system. So what we'll want to do is just remove your cable clamp. Go ahead and remove your spring like this. Bring the loop around and create a loop on the hose. Install the spring back on it. Go ahead and place your loop 3 times the outside diameter back from this fitting in this area here. You want to get you a pair of vice grips. I have needle nose here. They work well. Regular ones work well also. Go ahead and adjust your vice grips to where when you clamp them on the cable there, you have enough tension to where it's going to hold the spring back. We're going to use these vice grips to keep the compression on the spring. So again, we want to go ahead and place our loop around 3 times the outside diameter. I'm going to put the vice grips on here like this, and I'm going to slide this down like that. Then you want to go ahead and install your cable clamp. Just slide it down on like this, and then we're going to come around the neck area here. Just like this. Just going to bring that up tight by hand. Have your ratchet ready. Break that loose like that. Go ahead and tighten this up. Okay, so we have the cable clamp tight here. We have our placement of our loop 3 times the outside diameter back up off of the fitting. And that's all of it takes.